Twitch has just dropped one of its biggest changes yet in the UK, a mandatory age verification for anyone watching 18+ content. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. If you want to watch streams featuring themes like drugs, alcohol, gambling, or violence, get ready to show your face. Yes, you heard it right. Twitch is teaming up with third-party firm KID, which scans your face to confirm you're 18 or older. No verification, no watching. This has affected everyone, from brand new accounts to old season ones. Now, anytime they log in or try to access restricted content, users must be in a well-lit space, remove hats, and hand over camera access for the age check. This comes under UK Online Safety Act, which forces platforms to block harmful content for minors. Sounds simple enough, but privacy alarms are ringing loud and clear. Twitch says photos and videos aren't stored, but Reddit and X users aren't convinced. Comments range from "after Discord leaked all those passport photos, I'm out," to "I won't be watching in the future." All this ended up in a rise of VPNs. Proton VPN reported a staggering 1,400% spike in UK signups after the rule went live. Many users went for free options, but experts warn these can expose your sensitive data even more. If you want to keep watching Twitch safely, just stick to trusted VPNs like Proton VPN Free and consider upgrading for full protection. Twitch's age check may protect minors, but for many, it's just a hindrance in their way to consume content. Will you be verifying your face? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.